Hey there, students. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of inventory models. Trust me, mastering these concepts can save businesses tons of money and time. So let's jump right in. First up, we've got the deterministic inventory models. These models work in a predictable environment. Imagine you're running a business where demand and lead times are known with certainty. No surprises, just stability. One classic example is the economic order quantity or EOQ model. The goal to find the optimal order quantity that minimizes total inventory costs. So think of it as the magic number for ordering stock. Then there's the economic production quantity or EPQ model. This one's for when you're producing goods yourself, optimizing production runs to balance setup and holding costs. Now let's talk about the economic lot size or ELSE model. It's like EOQ but considers production time. Perfect for fluctuating demand. Moving on, we've got the inventory replacement models. These are all about timing your replacements. Whether it's periodic, age-based, condition-based, or failure-based, there's a model for every scenario. Next up is the base stock model. This one's all about maintaining a constant inventory level. As soon as you use an item, you replenish it. Simple and effective for stable demand. Don't forget the periodic review model. Here you check inventory at regular intervals and order up to a target level soon. It's straightforward and balances control with cost effectiveness. Case study on deterministic inventory models. This case study focuses on a manufacturing company that produces widgets. The company experiences consistent demand for widgets, making it a suitable candidate for deterministic inventory models. The objective is to determine the optimal order quantity and reorder point to minimize inventory costs. The company has a known lead time of 2 weeks, and the demand is constant at 100 widgets per week. By applying the EOQ model, the company can calculate the ideal order quantity that balances carrying costs and ordering costs. This optimized order quantity is projected to reduce inventory holding costs and improve efficiency. Now, let's switch gears to probabilistic inventory models. Account for uncertainty in demand, lead times, or other factors by using probability distributions to estimate outcomes. This enables businesses to make informed decisions about inventory levels and ordering frequency. These models handle uncertainty using probability distributions to estimate outcomes. For example, a company can use a probabilistic model to estimate demand for a new product, considering factors like price, customer segments, and market seasonality. The model generates a probability distribution of expected demand, aiding in determining the optimal inventory level. A popular one is the news vendor model, perfect for single-period decisions with uncertain demand. It balances the costs of overstocking and understocking. Then there's the QR model. You order a fixed quantity, Q, when inventory hits the reorder point, madame. Simple yet powerful for managing random demand. And don't forget the SS model. It keeps a safety stock and replenishes up to a target level once inventory hits a certain point. For more complex scenarios, we have the multi-echelon inventory model. This one manages inventory across multiple locations and tiers in the supply chain. It's all about optimizing the entire network. Lastly, the stochastic dynamic programming model. It's a high-level approach perfect for uncertain demand. It breaks down big problems into smaller decisions, optimizing for long-term rewards. All right, let's wrap this up with some key takeaways. Inventory management is crucial for profitability and efficiency. Choosing the right model depends on your specific needs and conditions. And remember, continuous improvement is key. Case study on probabilistic inventory models. This case study examines a retail store specializing in swimwear. Swimwear demand is highly unpredictable, making it a perfect candidate for applying probabilistic inventory models. The goal is to minimize both stockouts and excess inventory, which are major concerns for a seasonal product like swimwear. The store faces a lead time of 4 weeks, and demand fluctuates based on weather patterns, seasonal trends, and marketing campaigns. By implementing the QR model, the store can determine the optimal order quantity and reorder point. This model incorporates demand variability and lead time uncertainty, allowing the store to balance the risks of lost sales due to stockouts and holding costs associated with excess inventory. The store found that by using the QR model, they were able to reduce stockouts by 20% while also lowering their inventory holding costs by 15%. Thanks for tuning in and happy studying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights.